Hello fellows, we are discussing Introduction to Trigonometry applied questions. So today's section I am going to solve the next problem. Look at the problem. If cos theta plus sin theta equal to root 2 sin 90 minus theta, then cos theta minus sin theta. So option A root 2 sin theta, B root 2 cos theta, C minus root 2 sin theta, and D 2 sin theta. So first write down the here given cos theta plus sin theta equal to root 2 sin 90 minus theta. And now here cos theta plus sin theta as it is, this equal to root 2 sin 90 minus theta, we can write cos theta because we know that the value sin 90 minus theta is a cos theta. And now here squaring on both sides. So here we got cos theta plus sin theta whole square, this equal to root 2 cos theta whole square. See here, it is in the form of a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square expand form is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So now expand here. So here we got cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 cos theta sin theta, and this equal to root 2 square is 2 and here cos square theta. And now we know that this value cos square theta plus sin square theta is a 1 plus 2 cos theta sin theta, this equal to 2 cos square theta as it is. And now here this 1 goes RHS side, it become a minus. So write down here 2 cos theta sin theta equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. Is it clear? And call this equation 1. And here we want to find out the value of cos theta minus sin theta, right? So now here squaring this expression, so here we got cos theta minus sin theta whole square. So it is in the form of a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square expand form is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So expand it here cos square theta plus sin square theta minus 2ab means minus 2 cos theta sin theta. And here square theta plus sin square theta is 1 and minus, already we find out this value, which one, 2 cos theta sin theta. See here the 2 cos theta sin theta equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. We will substitute here 2 cos square theta minus 1, and now here 1 minus into 2 cos square theta become a minus 2 cos square theta, and minus into minus 1 become a plus 1. So now here plus 1 become a 2 minus 2 cos square theta as it is. And these two term we have 2 is a common, so take outside, and here we got 1 minus cos square theta, and here 2 as it is. 1 minus cos square theta is a sin square theta. Using the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta. This side we have here, see here, we have here cos theta minus sin theta whole square. So here cos theta minus sin theta whole square. So remove this square. So here we got cos theta minus sin theta equal to under root 2 sin square theta. So now here root 2 sin theta. So therefore cos theta minus sin theta equal to root 2 sin theta. So look at the option here. So option A is a root 2 cos theta. So option A is right here. Is it clear? So well students, look at the next problem. Cot A plus cosec A minus 1 divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1 equal to 1 plus cos A divided by sin A. So first write down here LHS. LHS equal to cot A plus cosec A minus 1, this divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1, and in the next step here cot A plus cosec A as it is minus 1. So instead of this 1 we can write cosec square A minus cot square A, because we know that the identity 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. So this cot square theta goes RHS side, it become a minus. So 1 equal to cosec square theta minus cot square theta. So we use this one here. Here we got in a bracket cosec square theta minus cot square theta, and this whole divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. And now in the next step here cot A plus cosec A as it is and minus in a bracket. Look at here cosec square theta minus cot square theta. So it is in the form of a square minus b square, and we know that the a square minus b square expand form, that is a plus b, a minus b. It is become here cosec theta minus cot theta, cosec theta plus cot theta. So write down here cosec A minus cot A and cosec A plus cot A, and this divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1 as it is. Here also A. And in the next step see here cot A plus cosec A, and here also cosec A plus cot A, both are same. So take down outside. So we'll take outside cot A plus cosec A, and remaining term here 1 minus cosec A minus cot A, and this divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Is it clear? And now here cot A plus cosec A as it is, and in a bracket 1 minus into cosec A become a minus cosec A, minus cosec A, and minus into minus cot A become plus cot A, and this divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. And see here in a NR 1 minus cosec A plus cot A, and dr also 1 minus cosec A plus cot A. These two terms are same, then get cancelled. So now remaining terms here, cot A plus cosec A, and this equal to cot A you can write cos A divided by sin A, plus cosec A we can write 1 by sin A, and this equal to, here take sin A as a LCM, sin A, and here we got cos A plus 1 equal to RHS, hence proved. RHS is 1 plus cos A divided by sin A, and here we proved cos A plus 1. 1 plus cos A or cos A plus 1, both are same, cos A plus 1 divided by sin A. Is it clear? Well students, look at the next problem. Tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 divided by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1 equal to 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta. So first write down here LHS. LHS equal to tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 divided by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1, and here tan theta minus, we know that the identity 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta, right? So this tan square comes in a RHS side, it become a minus. So here 1 equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta. So instead of this 1 we can write sec square theta minus tan square theta. So now here we got in a bracket sec square theta minus tan square theta, and this divided by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1 as it is. And in the next step, tan theta plus sec theta minus in a bracket. So look here is sec square theta minus tan square theta. It is in the form of a square minus b square. So we know that the exponent form of a square minus b square, that is a minus b and a plus b. So now exponent here. So here we got sec theta minus tan theta into sec theta plus tan theta, and this divided by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1 as it is. And in the next step, see here is a tan theta plus sec theta, and here also we have tan theta plus sec theta. So take outside. So here tan theta plus sec theta comes outside. So in a bracket 1 minus sec theta minus tan theta remaining, and this divided by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1 as it is. And now here tan theta plus sec theta in a bracket 1 minus into sec theta become a minus sec theta, and minus into minus tan theta become a plus tan theta, and this divided by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. And look at here, here is a 1 minus sec theta plus tan theta, here also 1 minus sec theta plus tan theta. These both terms are same, so get cancelled. So here remaining tan theta plus sec theta. So this equal to tan theta we can write sin theta divided by cos theta, and plus sec theta we can write 1 by cos theta. And here take cos theta as a LCM. Here we got sin theta plus 1 divided by cos theta. So this is our RHS, hence proved. So look at here. So look here. Here is a given RHS 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta, and here we proved sin theta plus 1 divided by cos theta, hence proved. Is it clear?